Where does the name Porthaethwy come from? Porthaethwy is the Welsh name of Menai Bridge. It's made of two parts, Porth, which means a harbour, and Aethwy. Now, Aethwy is a form of Daethwy, which was the name of the Celtic sub-tribe who lived in this area before the Romans came. Now, the Celtic tribes of Britain weren't these monolithic entities. They're usually made of smaller subgroups. So the larger tribe here was the Porthaethwy, the Hammerers, and they were stretched everywhere from here to the Conway River and even down into Powys. Now, under this tribe there were sub-tribes. Here it was the Daethwy, and their land stretched from the Afon Braint, from Llanfairpwll, all the way as far as Pen Môn, and they lived primarily in two hill forts. One of them, Dyn Sylwi, is up near Porthaethwy, and the other one is Dyn Daethwy, is now the hill that's opposite Waitrose, under this church. It used to be the hill fort that they lived in.